Hello viewers, welcome to Krithu's Cake House. Today's recipe is red velvet cupcakes. In a large bowl, add 1/4 cup of melted butter, add 3/4 sugar, mix it well. Add vanilla essence. Add 1 large egg. Beat it well for about 1 to 2 minutes. Scrape the sides of the bowl. Now add buttermilk to it and a vinegar. Now give it a quick mix. Now in the dry ingredients, add baking soda, baking powder, cocoa powder to the maida, all-purpose flour, and give it a quick mix. Now this will have lumps, so we need to sift the flour. Now mix it well. Now add 1 tablespoon red food color to the batter and mix it well. Mix everything together and the batter is ready.